Hi guys, Myral here, and this is my son.
Hi.
Aldrei, and this is our first video together. As you can see here, we are having fun with these colorful Play-Dohs. I know some of you there haven't heard of what exactly Play-Doh is. So let's first understand what is this. It is actually a modeling clay made of basic ingredients are water, flour, and salt. You can buy ready-made Play-Doh from market, or you can easily make it at home too. Play-Doh is fun, right? Are you having fun?
Yeah.
And it's a very easy material to use with preschoolers and kindergartens for play, learning, and development. It is also a powerful tool that provides many learning opportunities for children. So in this video today, we're going to show you how to make this homemade Play-Doh. So these are the ingredients, guys. We have a cup of flour, 3/4 cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, a cup of hot water, and some food coloring. So let's get started.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네. 너 때문에.
Orange and green and yellow and blue and purple and red and blue.
Dark blue.
Dark blue. Hey guys, we like Play-Doh? I like Play-Doh too.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며